This is a 1 year update for the refrigerator I was able to fix. I am so grateful I was able to fix it and it's still working properly. I will leave link for the original video if you want to check it out. I did fix it myself. I did not have any manufacturer warranty. I installed this valve kit that allow me to put refrigerant into the system after I vacuum it. And this is the part that I had to replace that was causing the problem. It was touching the bottom of the pan where the water sit. I did talk with GE customer service to see if they would help me with that because it looked like it was a manufacturer defect, because I don't know why they would let the line set touch the bottom of the water pan. It looked like that might cause a lot of issue, not just for my refrigerator, but for other customer refrigerator where this line might also be touching the bottom of the water pan. Since GE wouldn't fix it, I said to myself, why don't I just try to fix it myself? And this is what the line sets look like before I fix it. This is what it looks like after I take it out. And again, let me just show you how much water is sitting in this bottom of the pan. And the line set now is way off the water pan and it's not touching it. That's how it should be from the manufacturer, and it wasn't like that. Once a year, I vacuum the condenser coil to make sure I keep all the debris out to keep the refrigerator working properly. If you do the same, I would recommend you to check and make sure your line are not touching the bottom of the pan. And this is the freezer. Everything's still working fine. As you can hear, everything is rock solid. I am really happy and grateful that I was able to fix this refrigerator. I will leave link on the video on the description below if you want to check it out. Thank you for coming to my channel. Have a good one.